What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video. Man, you guys seen the road glide yesterday. It's finally time to get that thing all tidied up with the wheels and everything, along with everything else in the garage. Man, we did just get a shipment. So if you guys did put in on that orange CVO, man, those license plates are going out today, man. I'm gonna drop this bike off, come back and get started on shipping, man. So we got a lot of work to do. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe if you guys are interested in the road glide back there, man. Make sure you head over to everythingsregular.com right now and copy a limited edition Everything's Regular keychain, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway, man. But without further ado, man, it's hot already. It's time to get this show on the road. So let's hop in the truck and go to our boys' spot and get these wheels switched out. Alrighty, man, we just pulled up, got the road glide set up on a jack, about to get this back wheel switched out, as well as these exhaust gaskets, man, because we gotta be riding right, man. But in the meantime, we did get our other 21. We did get the rotor off the other 21 and stuff, so that's back here. We about to go tighten this rotor up at the crib and throw that joint on and see how that blue one is looking, man. So let's go. Alrighty, guys, we done made it back to the crib. About to go get some food for the baby and me, and go make a couple more stops, because like I said, we did get our stuff back. We did get our merch in the mail, man, so we gotta go get some utensils and supplies to get that stuff shipped out. But we'll be good to go, man. Alrighty, guys, back in the garage. We got our Everything's Regular plates here, so these will be getting shipped out to you guys probably tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Can't wait. As for this 21 and this blue bike, man, it's time to get cracking. I know we've been having this thing for a while, and it's finally time to shine, man. I gotta get this these screws in this freaking rotor a little bit tight, and just check them out, make sure everything's safe before we put it on, and then we should be good to go. Get that wraparound on there, get this thing complete, man. So let's put this thing on a jack stand and get it cracking. Alrighty, guys, we got that 21 on that joint with the wraparound. I think is looking really good. However, there's always a however. I know you guys hear it. We do have some rub on this wraparound. So usually I go with these and they like fine. I'll probably have to adjust the fender a little bit more. Maybe even take off the wheel again just to get it right and perfect. But this is where we at right now. At least the wheel is on there and we can get a good glimpse at that thing. It does look really, really good though, man. What do you guys think about that thing? Let me know in the comments below. Sheesh. Alrighty, guys, man, this thing has put a smile on my face, dog. This thing is so cold. Look at this freaking bike, dog. I can't believe this is the same bike I crashed on. We got from Copart. Like, this thing looks freaking amazing, y'all. Look at the 21 on that joint with the wraparound. They just do it so much justice. So much justice. I told you guys I know how to put these together, man. Couldn't wait for this one to complete. And here it is, ready to head to Arkansas. Oh, man, that blue is pretty spectacular, man. Pretty spectacular. Definitely got to get a ride on this thing here today or tonight. But I can't wait, man. What y'all think about it, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. This thing is looking real fire. Man, we haven't started this thing in a minute. Let's see. There she is, ready to go. Current. purring, man. She purring, dog. I'm digging it, man. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. This thing is looking real good, dog. Gotta go throw that back wheel on there. But meanwhile, the front of this thing looks real good and spectacular, man. I'm digging it. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. I actually love these bars now. I didn't like them at first with that stock wheel on there. But with this 21, this thing looks right on point, dog. Right on point. Let me know what y'all think, man. Alrighty, guys. Later on in the day here, blue thing is looking good and clear. We know where the Road King is going. Congratulations to my dog James, fan of Philly, Pennsylvania, dog. We heading out there to the East Coast real soon. We about to set up some shipping for this thing and get it out of here, man. But in the meantime, we got to load this blue one up. Definitely got to get this back wheel changed because I know some of you guys already typed it in the comments. Hey, bro, you just gonna leave the back wheel like that? Nah, man, just give me some time, dog. So we gonna get it cracking, get it loaded up, and then y'all see what's cracking, man. Alrighty, man, now that we got that thing loaded up, time to go get that back wheel switched out and get this thing that much more complete so we can get ready to ship this thing to Arkansas next week. We done made it to the homie crib. We done already offloaded the blue bike right here. Wow, that's a huge difference. That blue and that black, you guys just see what stands out the most. That blue is looking oh so lovely. We about to get that back wheel switched out on that blue thing, and then it's gonna be a wrap. But I'm digging it, y'all. What y'all think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below. That thing does look good, man. Yep, I got the baby with me, man. I'm gonna have to catch y'all in the morning, dog. Alrighty, guys, next morning here, we know where the bike is going. I think it's headed to Philly. Meanwhile, the blue bike has been booked to be shipped to Arkansas tomorrow. So we'll be going to pick that thing up shortly from the homie house. He's been switching the rear wheel on it. In the meantime, we need to take that black middle bike, the Road King, down to LA and take that to the winter so we can take that one and the orange one at the same time. Now that I said that, I remember I gotta get the orange bag still put back together. So when I come back, it shouldn't be too long before I get that done. But we do got our everything's regular license plate that I'm getting ready to ship out. Gotta go get some supplies and stuff now. So if you guys did put in on that order, it will be shipped out this week. Meanwhile, I gotta go get a car wash on my truck, man. That thing is horribly dirty, dog. Horribly dirty. So at least gotta have that thing shining when we on the road, man. Alrighty, we got this bad boy cleaned up. Now our blue bike is ready. It's time to go scoop that joint. However, I don't want to load up twice today. I think I might take a lift or something up there just so I can ride it back, save that much time, and load the other bike up and get up out of here. But it's gas time, man. Alrighty, man, we done made it back to the house. Got to get this black thing loaded up. So probably gonna have to move her car real quick to make it easy, but let's get it real quick, man. Alrighty, guys, got that thing loaded up for the very last time, dog. Guess I can take off my my GoPro thing now before I forget it, huh? That's that. But yeah, man, it's time to get this thing to the winter, get it to the city, man. Let's get it. We just got a lift to the homie house, so we didn't have to load it up again. Let's hop on this joint and get up out of here, dog. We done pulled up to the homie house, got the blue bike here, ready to go. Got the front wheel on there, got that rear on there, because I know you guys done typed it and was like, man, what happened to the rear? So got that situated, man. We about to hop on this thing, get back to the crib, and go drop that other bike off, man. So let's get this fresh start up. Woo! Get on up out of here, dog. Alrighty, man, we done made it back to the house. This thing is riding lovely, feeling good, popping some clutch, feeling like it's about to pop a wheelie. I'm digging it though, man. What are you guys thinking about that ride, dog? Let your boy know in the comments below. Meanwhile, we gotta hop in that truck and hit the road, get that other one out of here. So I'm gonna put this one back where it needs to be, and we gonna get cracking. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We got that blue thing all completed, situated, man. The Road King back there is already gone, man. So make sure you stay tuned for that video. That video is freaking fun. Getting ready to ship the blue bike out today and the bike that's going to Philly. So both of these bikes will be out of here today, and we'll only have the Road Glide in the garage, man. So if you guys are interested in the Road Glide giveaway, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now, copy you a keychain, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway, man. Because you guys seen, we gave away all of our bikes, man, and you could be next, man. So don't hesitate. It only takes one. So be sure to go get your entry right now, and you can be entered and to win my 2017 Road Glide Special. But without further ado, man, I want to thank everybody out there for supporting, tuning in today, man. So if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. But without further ado, I will have to catch you guys in the city, dog. Peace.